Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve a problem like this in case you are having this type of problem. Like I'm trying to go to LinkedIn, but they said the connection to LinkedIn is not secure. Yes, so in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can secure your network, then you will be able to go to any website that you want with your network fully secured. So without further ado guys, if you are new to this channel, please be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for notification. Let's get started. So welcome back, let's get to it. So the first thing is that make sure that you are logged into Chrome with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one. So click on the three dots that you're seeing right there and go to your history. If you're on a PC, you can just hold Ctrl H to go to your history. So open your history tab and wait for it to load. This won't take a minute. Please don't skip any part of this video because it is very helpful. Now our history tab have been opened, so now you can see all our history data. And what we're going to do here, we are going to clear all our browsing data here. As you can see, the day, the month and the year. So let's go to clear browsing data and click on the clear browsing data and see. Finally, this is where the page brought us to, but we haven't finished yet. We have a couple of things to fix. When the clear browsing data finally loaded, so what we're going to do here is to set the time range. We are going to set the time range to all time, so go at the end and click on all time, then go to clear data and clear the data. This will take like 1 or 2 minutes depending on your network, so let's wait for it. And I'm going to make this video very fast here. Wow, so here we are. We have finally cleared our browsing data, and what we're going to do next is we are going to our Windows search bar and search for control panel. So this is the control panel. Go ahead and open up the control panel. So guys, when you open the control panel, this is how your application settings will be. So what we're going to do is to go to the view by. Instead of the category, we are going to make it very small, the small icon. We are going to change it to small icon. Now when you set it to small icon, you will be able to see all your other settings. So this is what we are going to open here, this network and sharing center. Go ahead and open your network and sharing center. Now when you open the network and sharing center, what we're going to do is to change the adapter setting. So go to change adapter settings, so click on it. Okay, so here we are. We have two settings. Now hover on the Wi-Fi tool and right click and go down to property. Open your property and say this is going to take some time, like maybe a minute. Just give it a wait and see what will happen next. So finally our Wi-Fi property have been opened, and what we are going to open here, we are going to search for the internet protocol version 4. So open the internet protocol version 4 and go to property. Just click on it and go to property. Bam. So here we are, and we are going to leave the first setting, which is obtain an IP address automatically, and the second one we are going to change it. We are going to use the second option, yes, which is we are going to put in our own DNS settings. So for the preferred DNS server, we are going to enter 84 times 888. The second one, we are going to input 8844. I will type them on the screen so you can see it clearly. Now you just click on OK. Just click on OK and just cancel. Just close everything now here. Finally, we have secured our network settings, and what we're going to do here next is to restart your computer. Just restart your computer and all that problem will be solved, and now you are free to go to any website or any social media that you want to go to without them bothering you or telling you that your network is not secure. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe.